recirc keep going off. Now I have the AC on with the recirc button pressed, as you can see. Okay, now this guy, he's pretty upset. He's tired of his the light was flashing, it would simply just go out. Alright, so I'm gonna see if I can duplicate this. I've actually duplicated. I'm driving now, so alright, there it is. It's going off. The recirc has been cut off. Now, here's what the customer complained about. The car is not as cold. Well, you're not gonna be as cold. You're still gonna be cold because I'm sure the compressor is still on, but you have no recirc, and recirc is good for max cooling. Now, so let me turn this camera around and talk to y'all. But listen, let me show you something real quick. Now, the only fault code, of course, this is all electronics. They have modules. This is his own module. This car is equipped with a BCM, PCM, TCM, all kinds of modules. But one module you may look over, you may not seem to think to check, is the BCM, because the BCM is where the network, you know, houses and communicates all over the place. Now, the only fault code in this whole complete car was from the BCM in the form of a P1009-AA. That stands for humidity sensor. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, when you see that fault code, if your fuse is good going to that sensor, you simply have to replace the humidity sensor. Now, what does that have an effect? Why does that have an effect on AC? You got to understand, this humidity sensor is up here, and it detects the temperature of the windshield, the humidity on the windshield, and just a lot of things dealing with the windshield, and it reports that information back to the BCM. So if recirc is being lost from no fault of your own or no doing of your own, you have to just consider other things making it come out of recirc. All right, if I said that properly. So like I say, pull up a scan tool and pull up all the modules and see if you have fault codes anywhere in any module, not just the AC control head. Because in some cases, this control head has an update to it, flash update. You can simply flash it and cure all its ills from an electronic update. But that was not the case. There was no flash update available on the AC module. But like I say, after erasing the humidity sensor and going and driving and watching that come out of AC recirc mode, and then watching the humidity sensor pop up, code pop up, I'm determined, I believe that the humidity sensor has a lot to do with that. It has a small relationship, but it has enough to pull the car out of recirc. So what I'm gonna do is simply write up my estimate, and I'm gonna write up replacing the humidity sensor. Like I say, it's not that hard or not that deep. Replacing it is just, you have to be extremely careful. One small oops, and you will be getting a complete windshield. All right, so you don't want that to happen. I don't want this video to be long, but I just wanted to see that and verify this with you. Yes, humidity sensor can play a role in your AC recirc operation. All right, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.